Hello guys, today I've got the SONOS Era 100 and I'm going to show you how you can easily install and set up the application for this speaker in your Android device. The thing you need to do at first is to open the Play Store. Once you have done that, tap search again, and search for SONOS, the company name of course, in the Google Play Store. Once you do that, you should see this application from SONOS Inc. Hit install button over here and wait. Now tap open, and here get HardReset.Info, speaker or component. Tap the region, select the region. I live here, United States. Once you do that, you need to here scroll down and tap accept. I'm not going to explain all the things that are required here to read. You need to just read all the things that are here. Now you need to either log in or create an account. I will create one. Here, as I can see, you need to enter the email, password, first name and last name. Let me quickly create an account. Now, as I can see, I am logged in and continue. Here, I have no idea why we are on this website. Go back. Let's go back. Wait a moment. We need to log in, as I can see here as well. So let me log in here. I hope now that we won't be redirected to the website. We are not. So we are here. Tap continue to allow SONOS to use Bluetooth. Continue and allow. Continue, and while using the app is nice. Continue, allow. Now, as you can see, we have searching for nearby products. Make sure they are powered on. Here we can tap add. Continue while using the app, getting your Era 100 ready. Here, as I can see, next your Era 100 will play a chime with an audio pin to temporarily connect your mobile device to it. Tap continue. Now we are connecting to our Era 100. Don't worry, you don't need to remember any pin code. Here we need to enter our password to our Wi-Fi network and connect. Connecting Era 100 to our Wi-Fi network. For me it's S29. Zakondorze. As I can see, it takes some time. With the login, with the problems with Google, it took me about 30 minutes. But this is because of my internet connection and actually everything. So you don't worry. This process should take for you up to 10 to maybe 15 minutes. Here, now we have where are you putting your Era 100. I'll put this in my dining room. Continue. You could create, as you could see, the new location. You can create new location and set the name, for example, garage. It's actually only for this stereo system and to localize your speaker like this. You don't really need to care about it if you don't want to buy second SONOS speaker. Your Era 100 dining room has been added. Done. Here we are now in our application, all done. I have no idea why we'd have here this tutorial. Okay, and that's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.